Alright, what's up guys? Video 2. The hard part is done, right? So you took what we created last time, this validation sheet, and you filled in all of the blanks. So just imagine this has all of its blanks filled out. You're going to export that as a CSV file, and you're going to, that's going to be your validated data, right? So you've already finished validation. It's going to look something like this. Obviously, I have a Mac, so it's going to open in this stupid numbers thing. But it's just a CSV file. It's all the exact same. And the reason we switched from Excel to CSV is because this is a lot faster to read files with. So this is going to be the completed version of what we created last time. And then the data sheet is just going to be the filtered export from Compound Discoverer. So you're just going to take that and convert it to a CSV file. So that's why it has all of this like Compound Discoverer stuff, molecular format, whatever. Okay, so now let's go ahead and look at Chrome again. So now we're on the ready for plotting step. I don't know, maybe I'll change the name at some point. But you're going to upload your data and your validated data. So remember, the data is the one that comes straight from Compound Discoverer that you saved from earlier. And validated is going to be the finished last step, right? So you're going to open and then submit and then generate output files. And you're going to get a zip folder. Inside the zip folder is going to be bar graph data. So let me explain this one. Shouldn't take long. You're going to have 3 different sheets, and all of them are going to have data. The first one is going to have the number of metabolites, unmatched and synthetic. The next one is going to have your general classifications. So here, if you see that I included this on purpose. If you have something like isoprenoid and isoprenoids, that means that you classified some things as plural and some as not, and that's going to screw up your bar graph. So easy to catch here, so you don't have to worry about it later. You'll have to just go back, fix your labels, and regenerate. Same thing here. This is for your flavonoid subclasses. The code that does this is pretty easy if you ever want to edit it. So that's the first thing it created. The second thing is going to be the Metaboanalyst output. So I'm sure someone will explain it to you how it works, but basically you're just going to take any of these, export them as CSV files, and stick it straight into Metaboanalyst, and it should be able to generate the graphs you want. If it doesn't, I guess email me. Ask someone before you email me. I guess that's it for video 2. And your mentor should be able to guide you through this. I don't think this is super complicated. The third video, I'm going to go over some of the code and the architecture and what's going on in case you're interested, because someone's going to have to edit this at some point.